Hello, students. Today we'll understand the chapter Mowgli's Brother. It is a short story by Rudyard Kipling. Chronologically, it is the first story about Mowgli, although it was written after In the Rook, in which Mowgli appears as an adult. The story first appeared in the January 1894 issue of the St. Nicholas magazine and was collected as the first story in the Jungle Book later in 1894, where it is accompanied by the poem Hunting Song of the Seon Pack. The story also appears in the all the Mowgli's stories. In 1992, it was published as a separate volume with woodcut illustrations by Christopher Warnwell. The text is available online from several sources as part of the Jungle Book. The story was adapted as a 25-minute animated television cartoon by Chuck Jones in 1976. Jones also directed adaptations of Rikki Tikki Tavi and White Seal. So let us know about Rudyard Kipling, the writer of the story, this chapter. So Rudyard Kipling was born on 30 December 1865 and died on 18 January 1936. He was an English journalist, short story writer, poet and novelist. He was born in India, which inspired much of his works. So his famous works are The Jungle Book, Kim and the If poem. So and his children books are classics, and one critic has told about said about him a versatile and luminous narrative gift. So now let us start. Let us know about the Jungle Book also. So the Jungle Book is a collection of stories by English author Rudyard Kipling, and most of the characters are animals such as Sher Khan the tiger and Balu the bear. Though the principal character is a boy man cub Mowgli, who is raised in the jungle by the wolves. The story are set in the forest in India, one place mentioned repeatedly as Sion, uh, in the central state of Madhya Pradesh. Now let us start the chapter Mowgli's brothers. First of all, its characters. So all of the remaining characters are the basic characters are wolves, and when we and the jungle animals, and when we enter the jungle we find out that there is a man cub named Mowgli, and he considers himself as a wolf, and he is forced to acknowledge his humanity when he comes of the age and rejected by the wolf pack. And another characters are there is a fight between all of the remaining characters of the jungle. On the one side there are those who accept Mowgli. They are father wolf, mother wolf, their four cubs Ballu the bear, Bagheera, and the black panther Akela the lone wolf, and a few unnamed wolves. On the other hand, they are those who late hate him, Sher Khan, Tabqui, and Jackal, and the remaining wolves in the wolf pack. So, the story of this Mowgli's brothers is that Father wolf and mother wolf, Raksha, a pair of wolves raising a family of cubs, are furious to learn from Tabqui, the jackal, that Sher Khan, the lame tiger, is hunting in their feathers in the territory because he might kill men and bring human retribution upon the jungle. But when Father Wolf hears something approaching their den, it turns out to be not the tiger but a naked human baby. Mother Wolf decides to adopt the that man cub. Her determination is only strengthened by the arrival of the Sher Khan, who demands the cub for his meal. The wolves drive off the tiger, and Raksha names him Mowgli, the frog, because of his hairlessness. At the wolf pack's meeting at the Council Rock, Ballu the bear speaks for the man cub, and Bagheera the panther buys his life with the freshly killed bull. Ballu and Bagheera undertake the task of educating Mowgli as he grows. Meanwhile, Sher Khan plans to take revenge on the wolf pack by persuading the younger wolves to depose their leader Akela. When Mowgli is about 11 years old, Bagheera tells him of Sher Khan's plan. Mowgli, being human, is the only creature in the jungle that does not fear fire, so he steals the pot of burning coal from nearby village in order to use it against Sher Khan. The young wolves prevent Akela from catching his prey, and at that night's meeting, Sher Khan demands that Akela be killed and the man cub given to him. Mowgli, despite of being naked and unprotected, relentlessly attacks Sher Khan with a burning branch of and drives him and his allies away, but realizes to his sorrow that he must now leave the pack and return to humanity. As he leaves, he vows to return one day and lay Sher Khan's hide upon the council's rock. So this is the story of the Mowgli's brothers. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Please like and subscribe. Share also. Thanks a lot once again.